close, louder in here. Hi, we're coming to you live from the Singapore Rainforest. My name's Annika.
I'm Kiana.
And I'm Cud.
And I'm Keith. So yes, there are chickens in the rainforest. It's called the red jungle fowl, and they're believed to have been domesticated thousands of years ago for cockfighting and religious ceremonies. The red jungle fowl is usually found in a family group of up to 20 birds. Each group typically has one mature male with a few females and some juveniles. Although many people believe that chickens can't fly, the red jungle fowl can fly for short distances. It roosts in trees to avoid predators, which is an adaptation, which we'll talk a little bit more about in a little while.
How many species are in the rainforest, you ask? Well, Singapore has roughly 80 species of mammals, including 45 species of bats and 3 species of non-human primates. Currently, the only introduced species in Singapore is the variable squirrel. The abundance of bats, however, has been decreasing rapidly due to a habitat loss of over 95%. Singapore is the occasional home of 395 species of birds. Singapore contains a relatively large number of reptiles, a total of about 110 species, 4 of which are introduced. Most of the species, roughly 75, are snakes. Singapore has 30 species of amphibians.
What animals live in the rainforest in Singapore? Well, lots of monkeys, wild boar, which are my favorite, frogs, spiders, snakes, civet cats, and colugos. Colugos are also called flying foxes. Monitor lizards, birds, and penguins do too.
Are there more animals in the canopies or on the ground forest floor? That's a really good question, but I'd say probably more of canopies.
What animals have we seen in the rainforest? Well, luckily for us, we've seen plenty.
Pangolins,
Monkeys,
monitor lizards,
cobras,
civet cats,
mouse deer,
love the mouse deer, colugos,
and a baby colugo, blue coral snakes,
many birds including hornbills,
black-naped orioles,
mynas.
and straw-headed bulbuls.
Also, did we mention cobras?
We mentioned a cobra.
We've seen cobras.
Is the Wi-Fi in the forest good? No, but the cellular service is amazing. Hello.
How many plants and what kinds? Singapore currently contains 1,358 species of native vascular plants, of which approximately 759 are critically endangered. Some of our favorite plants are the elephant ear plants. What animal adaptations have you noticed? There are a lot of animals which are nocturnal. Many animals, like the colugo, use camouflage. Animals like snakes use stealth. Penguins have developed thick protective scales.
Oh, man, I'm lost. Where do we go, Kylie? I don't know. Oh, we need help. Anybody out there?
That brings us to the last question. It says, what do you do if you're lost in the rainforest? Luckily, the rainforest in Singapore is very well marked and not large enough for one to get truly lost. 2 years ago, Google mapped a lot of the trails in Bukit Timah, so you can find your way around quite easily.